Good morning, everyone. I'm going to be making some Butterfinger cupcakes. We're going to have a weenie roast tonight, and it's almost my husband's birthday, and he really likes Butterfinger. So I'm going to make this cake for him. I'm going to make cupcakes instead of a cake. I'm going to use this Butter Golden cake mix. Okay, and then it calls for 3 eggs. Okay, and it calls for water, but instead of water, I always like to use buttermilk in its place. I've got 3/4 a cup of buttermilk. I'll mix this up a little bit. Okay, now to this cake mixture, it calls for 7 tablespoons of softened butter. Oh, I just melted mine. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to get my Butterfingers ready. I've got a Ziploc bag. And I've got one of these little 6-packs, the little mini ones. We'll use all 6 of them. Now I'm just going to take like a glass or something and just start breaking them up. Pieces. They don't have to be real fine. And I'm going to take a spatula. I'm going to fold these Butterfinger pieces in to the cake mix. I got my muffin liners. I've got these. I got them from Amazon. I'm just going to use these. And I'm going to use my ice cream scoop. That way they'll be the same size. I got my oven set for 350 degrees. I'm gonna stick them in the oven. This is what they look like. I'm gonna let them cool and then I'm gonna make the icing. Okay, here's my cupcakes. They're all cooled off now, and I'm just using, I made some homemade buttercream. You can use whatever kind of buttercream that you would like, your homemade, or if you want to use store-bought, you can. I just want to put some icing on it. Okay, now after I get them all icing, I've got me some more Butterfingers chopped up, and I'm just going to sprinkle some on the top. Like that. Look how pretty. What they look like. Isn't that pretty? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.